What's up everybody, it's your tech guy, MKBHD here, and let's talk Android. Ever wonder how those slick apps on your phone come to life? That's the magic of Android development. We're talking millions of devices worldwide, all powered by Android. Learning to build for this platform? That's your ticket to a universe of possibilities, my friends. Whether it's creating the next viral game or an app that simplifies everyday tasks, Android development puts the power in your hands. Intrigued? You should be. Let's get this show on the road. Before we jump into building killer apps, let's make sure we've got the basics covered. Don't worry, we're not talking rocket science here. A little programming knowledge goes a long way. Think of it like learning a new language, except this language helps you talk to computers. Familiar with Java? You're off to a great start. If not, Kotlin's another cool kid on the block. Don't stress, we'll point you to resources to get you up to speed. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Alright, time to get your hands dirty. First stop, Android Studio. It's like your digital workshop for building amazing apps. We're talking code editors, debugging tools, and emulators to test your creations. Think of it as your all-in-one Android development Swiss Army knife. Once you've got Android Studio up and running, it's time to pick your weapon of choice, Java or Kotlin. Both are powerful programming languages perfect for building Android apps. Don't worry, we'll break down the pros and cons to help you decide. Section 4. Mastering the Essentials from Code to Design. Now for the fun part, building your app. This is where your ideas start to take shape and come to life on the screen. It's an exciting journey from concept to creation. This is where creativity meets technology. First up, UI/UX design. This step is crucial because it determines how users will interact with your app. A well-thought-out design can make the difference between a good app and a great one. Think of this as the art of making your app both beautiful and user-friendly. It's not just about looks, it's about creating an intuitive experience that users will love. Remember, a confused user is an unhappy user. Your goal is to make navigation as seamless as possible. If users can't find what they're looking for, they'll quickly lose interest. We'll guide you through layouts, colors, and fonts to create an app that's not just functional but visually appealing too. The right combination can make your app stand out in a crowded market. Next, we'll dive into the world of APIs, application programming interfaces. These are essential for adding advanced features to your app. These little guys let your app talk to other apps and services like Google Maps or social media platforms. They can greatly enhance the functionality of your app. And of course, no app is complete without a way to store data. Whether it's user information, app settings, or other data, you'll need a reliable storage solution. That's where databases come in. They help you manage and organize your data efficiently. We'll explore different types of databases and how to use them to your advantage. From SQL to NoSQL, each has its own strengths and weaknesses. Understanding these will help you make the best choice for your app. Section 5. Level up your skills resources for Android mastery. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't sweat it. The Android community is vast and incredibly supportive. There's a ton of resources out there to help you on your journey. Online courses, like those offered by Google and Udacity, provide structured learning paths. Books, both digital and physical, offer in-depth knowledge. And don't forget the power of online forums and communities. Got a question? Chances are, someone's already asked it and gotten an answer. Section 6. From beginner to pro tips for Android success. Here's the thing about coding. Practice makes perfect. The journey from a beginner to a pro Android developer is filled with challenges, but it's also incredibly rewarding. The more you code, the better you'll get. Consistency is key. Set aside time each day to write code, even if it's just for an hour. So, what are you waiting for? Start building. Begin with small projects and gradually take on more complex ones. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. That's how you learn. Debugging is an essential skill, and every error is an opportunity to improve. Looking for project ideas? How about building a simple to-do list app or a weather app? These projects will help you understand the basics of Android development. Once you've got a few projects under your belt, consider contributing to open-source projects. It's a great way to showcase your skills and learn from others. It's a fantastic way to learn from experienced developers and give back to the community. Plus, it can significantly boost your portfolio and career prospects. Section 7. The Android Journey, a constantly evolving landscape. Congrats, you're well on your way to becoming an Android developer. You've put in the hard work, and it's paying off. But this is just the beginning of an exciting and ever-changing journey. But remember, the learning never stops. The Android world is constantly evolving with new versions, devices, and technologies popping up all the time. Each update brings new features and challenges, keeping the landscape dynamic and fresh. Make it a habit to stay updated with the latest trends. Follow Android blogs, attend webinars, and participate in online forums. These resources are invaluable for keeping your skills sharp and your knowledge current. Connect with fellow developers. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Share your experiences and learn from others in the community. The key is to never stop learning and growing. Dive into coding books, experiment with new projects, and challenge yourself to push the boundaries of what you can create. And who knows, maybe one day I'll be reviewing an awesome app built by you. Your dedication and passion can lead to incredible achievements. Keep creating, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Enjoy every moment of it.